Hello everyone, we are going to solve past papers of ICATS Mathematics for year 2021 for grade 3 and 4. I hope you will like my video, so don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you could receive the notification for my next videos. So let's just start solving the problems. Question number 1. A young rock climber is climbing up a rock. She climbs 5 meters every minute. How long will she take to reach the top of the rock, which is at 495 meters? The total height of the rock is 495 meters and she climbs 5 meters per second. So we are going to divide. Its answer is 99. You may do the mental calculation as well, like just round 495 to 500 by adding 5 into it, and then see 5 watts are 500. It's 100. So 100 is the answer, but as we have added 5 by ourselves, so we have to minus 1 out of our answer because right now we are dealing with the answer. So 5 ones are 5, so that's why we will minus the answer directly, which is 1. So 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. So D is the correct option over here. Question number 2. Sugra did a survey of the favorite pets of the children in her class and drew a pie chart of her result. Which animal was the favorite of about 1/3 of the class? So we can see that all the animals are adjusted in the pie chart. If we make a pie chart and I have divided it into 3 parts. So dog is the animal which is representing 1/3 of the pie chart and rest of the animals are adjusted into 2/3 of the pie chart. So dog is the correct option over here, which is D. Question number 3. How many more rupees 50 notes are there than rupees 100 notes? So we can count the number of rupees 50 notes, which is in pink color 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we can count the rupees 100 notes. There are 2 notes. So we have to find the difference between the number of notes. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. B is the correct option. Question number 4. Ali went to the supermarket and bought a bag of rice. He paid with a $50 note and received the following change. How much did the rice cost? First of all, we are going to add the dollars. 10 plus 10, $20. And then there are 4 coins of $1, so which is equal to $4. And then we are going to add cents. Cents are less than dollars. So that's why we are going to add them separately, especially. So 50 plus 20 plus 5, that is equal to 75 cents. So cents come after the decimal. There are $24. 20 plus 4 is equal to $24 and 25 cents. So the answer is B part, which is 24.75. Question number 5. At noon, the minute hand of a clock is in the following position. What is the position of the minute hand after 17 quarters of an hour? So right now it's on 12 and we know 1 quarter is equal to 15 minutes. So when we take a jump of 1 quarter, the hand will be on 3. If we take jump of the 2 quarters, the hand will be on 6. Similarly for 3, it will be on 9. And if we take jump for the 4 quarters, the hand will be again back on 12. So 3, 6, 9, and 12. Similarly, if you keep on taking the jumps like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So on the 16th quarter, the hand was again back to 12. So for the 17th quarter, it will be on 3 again. So A is the correct option. And Green Clemens, better known as Mark Twain, was an American author. Clemens was born in November 1835 AD and died at the age of 74 in the month of April. In which year did Clemens die? So here we will add 74 into the year of his birth, which is 1835. The answer is 1909. From November 1935 to November 1909 exact, he was of 74 years, but he died after 5 months in April. So obviously then a new year was started, which is the next year after 1909 as 1910 AD. So D is the correct option. Question number 7. 60 cherries are shared equally among 7 children. How many cherries do they get each and how many cherries are left over? So you can easily divide 60 on 7. The answer is 8 remainder 4. If you don't know the concept of division, then you can do mental calculation, like we have to see that which number in the table of 7 is closest to 60 but smaller to 60 as well. So we have to focus on the both criteria, smaller and closest. So if we see 7 eighths are 56 and 7 nines are 63. 63 will be greater than 60, so we can't take it. We will take 7 eighths are 56. So 56 is smaller than 60 and it is closest to 60 as well. So 8 is the answer. And if we minus 56 out of 60, then there will be 4. The 4 is remainder. So each child is going to get 8 cherries equally, and then after that they will have 4 cherries left. So D is the correct option. Question number 8. The right estimate for the length of a pencil is 1 centimeter, 2 mm, 2 millimeters, 8 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. So here we have some estimated lengths. These are not exact lengths, but just an estimation of the given length. So 1 centimeter is of this size, 2 millimeter is smaller than 1 centimeter, so it's also smaller than centimeter. 8 centimeter is of this size and 2 centimeter. So if we just make an estimate, the pencil will be around 8 centimeters. So C is the correct option over here. Question number 9. White River School did fundraising throughout last year to buy some new computers. The line graph shows the amount raised by the first day of each month. It started with the first day of January at the point 0. The school's target was to raise $5,000. So here, first of all, we will see our x-axis and y-axis. The horizontal line is x-axis and months are mentioned on it. And y-axis is written vertically. So if we see, the amount is written over here in $100. So whatever number is there, we are going to multiply it by 100. So 50 multiplied by 100 is equal to $5,000, which was the target of the school. So here it is 50. We can draw an arrow over here and see that which month is written under this point. This one. So we can draw another arrow which is going towards our x-axis. So October is the month when they achieved their goal. Question number 10. How many different types of symbols appear in the figure given below? So first of all, look at the first symbol, which is a circle. Cut it and write the marking. It's totally up to you. You want to make tally marks or you want to do numbering like 1, 2, 3. So its first type of symbol, find the similar symbol in the chart. There it is, so you cut it as well. Now the next symbol has 6 sides. It's a star with 6 sides, so don't confuse it with other stars, like there is another one with 8 sides and then 5 sides. So here we have a hexagonal star, I can say. So it's it has 6 sides. Cut it and then do the marking. After that, find the similar stars in the given chart. We have 3 more here and 2 are over here. So we are going to cut them. Now third type of symbol, it has 8 sides. Do the marking and then find the similar symbol in the given chart. Here we have another one. So similarly, you have to find the symbol, do the marking and cut the similar symbols in the given chart. In this way, you will find 26 types of symbols in the given chart. Question number 11. Count the number of stacked triangular pieces in the image shown below. So first of all, we are going to count the number of triangular pieces in the longest bar of the given figure. So there are 8 pieces in the longest bar. Then we can see one step down, it's 7, one step down again, so it's 6. This is similar to this bar, so 6 again. Then we are going one step down, 5. This bar is also equal to that one, so 5 again, then 4, 3, and 2. So now we are going to add all the triangular pieces given in the different bars. The total is 46. So C is the correct option. Question number 12. Mrs. Alina class kept track of how many pages they read during the school year. Each star on the pictograph stands for 50 pages. How many pages did Ahmed read? So our interest is totally in the Ahmed's work. So we will not focus on Fatima, Arfa or Ramna. So Ahmed read So Ahmed got 9 full stars and 1 half. So each star is representing 50. So we are going to multiply 9 by 50. The answer is 450. And half means half of 50 is 25. So we are going to add 25 into 450. So total is 475. So C is number 13. Ahmed practices a different basketball skill each day according to this pattern. Day 1, shooting goals, dribbling ball, catching rebounds. Day 4, taking foul shots, and he again repeats the pattern. What skill will he practice on day 21? So we will see at day 4 he is taking foul shots, and at day 8 he is taking it again. So we can follow the pattern. On day 4, then day 8, 12, 16 and 20 he is going to he is going to play taking foul shots. So on the 21st day the pattern will be started again. So he will play shooting goals over here. So A is the correct option. Number 14. Amanda wants to cover the top of her doll's table with colored paper. The top of the table is shown below. So here we can see the table. How many square centimeters of paper does Amanda need if each square equals to 1 square centimeter? So first of all, we are going to find the number of rows we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 rows. Now we are going to find the number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 columns. Actually, when we are going to find our rows and columns, we are going to start from the same box. Then we will multiply this 5 by 8. We have 40. So here D is the correct option. She needs 40 square centimeter of paper. Question number 15. Identify the correct set of legs for Mr. Kumar to balance his body as he carries a heavy box. So option A is not the correct one. We can easily fall down if we hold something in this posture. Option D is also not the correct one because the legs are too much straight and we don't stand in that position whenever we are carrying something. So you might be confused in option B and C. C is the appropriate one. Whenever we hold something heavy, automatically the posture of our body becomes like this. And our legs become bendy. The weight is on our legs as well. So C is the correct one. Question number 16. Assume that the English alphabet was redesigned and the new alphabet had alternating uppercase and lowercase letters. The alphabet starts with uppercase A. So now, first of all, we can interpret this information like her every alternate alphabet is in upper and lowercase. So we will start from A. A is capital, so B is small, C capital, D small. Similarly, we will complete the ABC first. Then first, all uppercase letters were rotated clockwise by 90 degrees. Clockwise means this side. So here, all lowercase alphabets were rotated anti-clockwise by 90 degrees. So anti-clockwise means backwards. Using the new alphabet, the word help would be written as the word help. How we are going to find it? So I just saw that H is small in help, capital E is capital, L is small and P is also small. So first I have written the word here. Then according to information, all the small letters are going to be rotated anti-clockwise, means backward. So here it will be rotated like that, anti-clockwise. E will be rotated on the other side. L will be again on the side of H, it's anti-clockwise, and P will be also anti-clockwise. So here A is the correct option. Samra had 204 stamps in her collection. She bought 47 more stamps. So first of all, we are going to add 47 into her collection, which is 204. The answer is 251. If she gave 38 stamps to her brother, how many stamps does Samra have now? So now she gave 38 stamps to her brother, so we will minus it out of her answer, which was 251. So now the answer is 213. C is the correct option. Question number 18. Subra reads 90 minutes each day for 6 days. Samra reads 60 minutes each day for 8 days. What is the difference in minutes between the total amount of time Subra reads and the total amount of time Samra reads? So here we are going to multiply the minutes by the number of days. for Sugra. So here the answer is 540. And similar work we will do for Samra as well. The number of minutes multiplied by the number of days. So Samra's minutes are 480 minutes. Now what's the difference between their work is 540 minus 480, it's 60 minutes. Question number 19. The picture below shows that 3 cans have the same mass as 9 identical boxes. Each can has a mass of 30 grams. There are 3 cans, so we are going to add the masses of the cans. 30 plus 30 plus 30 is equal to 90, so total mass is 90. Now we are going to add the number of boxes given on the other side of the machine. So there are 9 boxes in total. So because the weight is same, we are going to divide this total mass 90 by the number of boxes, which is 9. So 10. It means each box is of 10 grams. So B is our correct option over here. Question number 20. A group of students played a basketball game after school. Which total can be found using the expression 7 by 2? So let's interpret all the given options. A, the total number of points if a player made 7 shots and each shot was worth 2 points. It's a sum of multiplication. Yes, it's correct. Because if there are 7 shots and each was of 2 points, so 7 twos are 14 points in total. Let's see B option. The total number of basketballs if 7 basketballs were old and 2 basketballs were new. So it's a sum of addition. 7 plus 2 is 9. No. C part, the total number of points if one player had 7 points and a different player had 2 points. It's again sum of addition. So no. D part, the total number of basketballs used if there were 7 basketballs and 2 of the basketball were not used. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So here A is the correct option, which can be solved by using the expression 7 by 2. Question number 21. Amna has a bucket of water as shown below. So Amna wants to pour all the water equally into 3 bowls for her dog. How many liters of water should Amna pour into each bowl? So here, first of all, we are going to measure the amount of water. It's 10 liters. Then 2 marking up, it's over here, which is 12. So we have 12-liter water in the beaker. So we will divide in 12 on 3 because she has to divide it equally into 3 parts. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So here A is the correct option. Question number 22. The first number in the number pattern is 28. The pattern rule is to add 14 to get the next number. So the pattern is starting from 28 and we have to add 14 into it. So 28 plus 14 is 42 and we can also find the next number in the pattern as well by adding 14 into our answer, which is 56 now. So we have 3 numbers of the pattern. Now let's complete the question. If the pattern continues, which statement is true? Let's see. All the numbers in the pattern can be divided by 10. So no, these are not multiples of 10. Option B, all the numbers in the pattern can be divided equally by 4. So 28 comes in the table of 4. 42 doesn't. So no, this is not the correct option. C part, all the numbers in the pattern can be divided equally by 8. So we will have to check. 28 doesn't come in the table of 8, so no. Option D, all the numbers in the pattern can be divided equally by 7. So yes, 28, 42 and 56 come in the table of 7, means they are multiples of 7. So D is the correct option here. Question number 23. The blue team scored fewer points than the green team. So blue is less than green, but more points than gray team. So blue is greater than gray team. The purple team scored fewer points than the gray team. So purple is less than gray. Which team scored the fewest points? So we are going to see that purple is less than gray is less than blue, and blue is less than green. So this will be the sequence. So here, the team purple is the team who has scored fewest points. Question number 24, look at the following schedule. So they have given a whole schedule in the form of chart. Tony just missed the 9:20 a.m. train at Comfy Pillows Resort. What time is the next train? So there we have Comfy Pillows Resort. He missed 9:20 a.m. train. So what will be the next train? What what time will be the next train? So here we have 9:20 a.m. which he has missed. So the next train will be at 11 o'clock. So A is the correct option here. Question number 25. If capital A is substituted by 4, B by 3, C by 2, and D by 4, E by 3, F by 2, and so on, then what will be the total of the numerical values of the letters of the word sick? So here we have to follow the pattern. If we continue the pattern, we will see that A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3, C 2. Similarly, we will continue the pattern. We may write it, otherwise you can do it mentally as well. It's totally up to you. So here the word sick. S is equal to 4, I is equal to 2, C is equal to 2, and K is equal to 3. So we are going to add these numbers. The total is 11. So A is the correct option over here. It's better to write the details instead of making a mistake, because if you make a single mistake, obviously it takes you away from the gold medal. So that's why working is better and you have enough time to do that. I hope you liked my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel to motivate me. Thank you so much.